kill somebody.
I'm so sorry, of course.
Hundreds of people were supposed to die that night, but Iris stopped the disaster.
Everyone needs to get off the dance floor!
So death came back for them one by one. Since there were so many survivors, it took years for death to get to all of them.
The whole building is going to come down.
Serious?
Penny,
Iris?
give me that. What the hell, lady? Give it to me. What are you doing? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Stephanie! Stop! Look, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have come here. This book
Is a lifeline. It will show you everything you need to know to keep our family safe. You still don't believe me? Step back.
What?
Seeing is believing.
She single-handedly held off death for decades.
Sweetie.
These people went on to have families that they never should have had. So death took them too. Don't you see this? Death is coming for us because we were never supposed to exist.
Careful, Howard.
Now the whole family's here!